So I'm in the field right now doing some disease ratings on wheat today. I'm looking at Fusarium head blight, and essentially I'm giving all of the heads scores as to the amount of Fusarium that have. And I just grabbed this one particular head from my durum plot here because it was sticking out. Often Fusarium will ripen fast and go white a lot faster than everything else. And then what else you can see here is that there is like this salmon colored fungus growing in there, at least the spores, and it turns everything like this kind of this pinkish color. And then a lot of these seed heads will be just empty. There'll be like tombstones. That's why they have the nickname tombstone for this disease. So I have durum there, and then I've got spring wheat here, and we're seeing the same sort of thing. If I just grab one, you can kind of see the pinkish hue. It's almost like a salmon color in there, and it has it. These produce a mycotoxin called Dawn, which can be very toxic, and you do not want to be harvesting seed that has a significant amount of Fusarium and therefore Dawn in there. So you almost want to get it tested out before you harvest. But yeah, that's Fusarium head blight. You can see those kernels are shrunken and shriveled. The yield's not going to amount to much. So I'm in here doing ratings on this stuff, and I just wanted to show this is what Fusarium looks like. What farmers do to combat diseases like Fusarium head blight is they can do things. They can spray fungicide, which is what I did here. Fungicide at flowering time, when the wheat's flowering, that's when you want to apply to protect your wheat heads against the Fusarium. And secondly, you can grow resistant varieties. This particular variety, I got it out of Ontario, specifically because it was very susceptible to Fusarium, so I could use it in this fungicide trial. So that's why I'm seeing so much Fusarium here, whereas in my traditional wheat that I have got over there, I'm seeing very trace amounts because we now breed resistance varieties to Fusarium. Durum, not as resistant, so that's why I'm using a strip of durum in these trials as well. But namely this wheat that's very susceptible, the durum that is moderately resistant, and then the wheat which is resistant. I'm not seeing a whole lot of Fusarium in that wheat.